Assalamu alaikum. The topic that I will speak about it today is the environment pollution. As they said, we did not inherit Earth from our grandfathers. We just borrowed it from our grandchildren. So as you can see, today global warming and all the environmental issues that's happening today, if we don't take a right action now to limit the uses of the natural resources, the next generation will not have a good life on Earth and they will inherit lots of problems. I mean, all the important resources that in the globe and the Earth now, we have almost damaged it or wasted. For example, water, we have, with all the garbage that we throw in on the oceans and on the rivers, most of the water in the world now has been polluted. Air as well. Air, with all these car injection, all these factories around the world have been like, we did not have proper air anymore. It's mixed of dioxide and monoxide. I mean,